Wazzup, Pilipinas! So, nakita niyo po ngayon, ito ang wallpaper. The wallpaper from Photowall. Yes! So, nakatapos na po namin na install ang wallpaper from Photowall. It took us mga 2 days to install it. 1 day to prepare the materials. And then 2 days to install it. So, kaya naman siguro ng 1 day kung hindi lang kami may ginagawang iba pa. So siguro i-count yung mga number of hours, sandali lang actually. And ang mahirap na portion lang is yung first 2 panels or columns. Because syempre, nananapa ka pa. Hindi mo pa alam kung gaano kadikit dapat, gaano kalakas ang pag-ipit sa wallpaper. We're not really sure how to handle it, how to properly cut it. But after the first 2 panels or columns, swak na swak, ang bilis, ang dali lang pala. Kayang-kaya pala. Although, etong space namin, we started from there, and then going round, until dun sa may last portion ng kitchen. Dito sa area na to, medyo naubos na, kinulong na kami ng wallpaper, so, nagpatsa-patsa na lang kami. We decided to use the leftovers, yung mga cut na pieces. We assembled it here. So parang jigsaw puzzle. So the rest of the wallpapers, the leftovers or the cut or the excess were put here sa may doorway. So that's about it, guys. Thank you thank you to Photowall for allowing us to collaborate with them. So ito na po yung aming other home in Montalban, Rizal. So akala naman nakakita is nasa condo daw kami. Kasi nga kakaiba yung wallpaper namin. Grabe, di ba? Ang ganda. Thank you very much, Photowall, for the collaboration. Again, I can't thank you enough, but this is really made our day. Kakaiba na ngayon ang aming home away from home. Talagang naging parang relaxing ang kanyang itsura. So, guys? Ano ba hinihintay nyo? Get your own wallpapers and do it on your own. Napakadali lang. Napakadali and very, very beautiful. See? So, bakit ko ba napili itong ganitong design? Kasi nga, I'm not the typical person. Kakaiba talaga ang gusto kong design. Gusto ko abstract na meaningful at the same time is it's not your ordinary wallpaper. Hindi siya, yung patterns niya, hindi siya ganun ka-redundant or paulit-ulit. It's changing. Just like my character. I'm very moody. I always change depending on my mood, depending on the situation, depending on the times, depending on depending on how much money is in my pocket or my wallet. No, seriously, guys, you better try this out. It's wallpaper from Photowall. So, ano pa hinihintay niyo? Again, paulit-ulit na naman ako nagsasabi na, get your own wallpapers. So, this has been Ross Del Rosario saying, What's up, Pilipinas?